Good. We're going to step to the right. A nice and wide step. And hands back on the hips with the elbows again close together behind the back. Good. Fold forward, placing the hands on the mat. This is the half lift position, right? Just with a wide spreaded position of the feet. So in the half lift, you stand firm here on your feet. Place your left hand in the middle and turn to your right, straightening your right arm out, up towards the ceiling, and you look at your right hand. Now your left hip has probably dropped down. So try to place it back into its first position. And then you feel that while you want to go to the right and you bring that hip back, you feel that twist in between your shoulder blades and maybe some tension in your neck. Breathe through this. And then we're going to switch. Your right hand comes in the middle. Fingers spread out wide nicely. Look over your left shoulder. Turn with your body. Straighten out your left arm. Look at your left hand. Good. Now your right hip has probably dropped. So bring that back as good as you can. And while you keep twisting to the left, this is my tight side, so I really feel this. Breathe through it, through that twist right in the upper back. All right, and come back into the half lift with your hands shoulder width apart. Inhale here, nice and long. Exhale, walk your hands back. Let the top of the head look at the mat. And let's breathe here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on 5, walk your hands back forward to the half lift. Feel the strength in your legs. Come up with a straight spine. And back to the front of the mat. Feet together.